How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Today we want to talk of technology, but this is under EMS. We use the word technology. We always say there is an improvement in technology. Technology is improving, but basically, what is technology? Technology is an introduction of products, right? That gives us solutions, right? uh, we identify that there is a crisis or it's hard to perform a task. So products they are actually developed or machines they actually developed to provide solutions to these problems. So this is what we call products when we develop uh, products that gives us solutions, right? You could see that long back people they could struggle to even cut trees, but then an axe was developed as a way of creating a solution. And from the axe, again, some people they could struggle using axes, right? So as a way of providing a solution, chainsaws were developed, right? If you check long back ago, people they could use charcoal, right? They could use stones, they could use feathers, right, to write. So as a solution to writing, paper was developed, ink was developed, and from there a pen was developed. That's also technology. So who uses technology? Everyone, like uh, in the modern world that we're living, is using technology. Whenever we go to work, whenever we are using computers, whenever we are using any types of machines to perform our task, right? Some of the machines they can be manual machines, but they make jobs easier. Some of the machines they can be electrical machines, but they make our jobs easier, right? The manufacturing industry depends on technology. The construction industry, whenever we are using those shovels, those trowels, when we are using machinery to develop roads, when we are using machinery to manufacture, when we are using machinery to manufacture clothes, that's all have to do with technology. So technology is improving each and every day. And you are seeing the current trend, we are moving towards the robotic trend whereby we are even using robots to aid us in our production. Of course, some people they argue that they reduce employment in that instead of using people, we end up using machines. And machines they are replacing the importance of people. However, it is also important at the end of the day because there is production of more goods and services, right? There is an increase in the supply of goods and services, and companies they can also compete with other international companies. They can have a say in the international trade. So technology has brought a tremendous trade change in the current modern world that we are living. So basically, when you hear the word technology, you have to know that these are products that are developed to create solutions to problems. So basically, that's the idea of technology. When a computer was developed, it was a way of creating a solution to data saving and a way of creating solution to communication and of making sure that businesses they are run professionally because computers they aid in the day-to-day runnings of the business. They keep our information, they enable us to communicate, right? And they make things easier. Like now you can do transaction with someone who is abroad, who is very far because of these technological gadgets. So technology, it has actually brought a very big change in our lives, and it's very, very, very,